Anyway, guys, this is someone Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. Oh, I love you. Usbindi and Mayene are celebrating Terelo's new car. I have never seen Umayene posting Amahle, guys. Remember, Amahle, she's not just the girlfriend. She's the official wife, according to the reality show. Is Ngani September, unless they are lying to us, because Umayene, no, she doesn't like lies, guys. Maybe they are acting, you never know, because some people are saying, oh, so why Umayene has never posted Amahle introducing her as her new officially makoti wake, guys. So today Utirelo posted this on her Instagram account. She went on to say, whoever can guess our baby's name get to go on the road trip with Tiri. So she posted a mini video, lapana, guys. You can see she's driving a car, and people went on to say it's a Haval, some say it's a Omoda, others were saying other names, Cherry. Even Mayene did repost the same video Yakatirela and also Spin. Looks like it's a partnership. She did not post the name of the car, so we cannot wait, guys. She went on to say we're going to find out very soon. So guys, congratulations to Tirelo. If there's one thing about Tirelo, guys, season she's working hard and she's making many akuma partnership, akuma campaign. Tirelo, she's working hard making her money. So anyway, guys, congratulations to Tirelo once again. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.